Why is speaking so difficult? Hello, my name is Jessica. Welcome to my channel where I post beauty and art related content. Thank you so much for being here. If you would like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button, comment down below and like this video so I can grow my channel. I really appreciate you being here. Today, I am creating a look based off of some nature inspiration and a watercolor painting I did. So I've really been inspired by all the spring flowers that are blooming where I live, and there are these purple magnolia tulip trees. I'm not sure if I'm saying them correctly. I tried to look up the exact name of these trees, but I'll insert some photos and stuff. But they have these like big bulbous pink, purple, and white tulipy flowers on them. And they're so stunning, and I've been wanting to create a look based on that. But I also wanted to incorporate my love of art. I mean, I know beauty and art are like naturally related because they're already creative outlets. But I thought it would be fun to create a painting based on those flowers and then use that as inspiration for this look. But I'm going just to create a fun, flowery, watercolor inspired look today. So I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for being here. Let's jump right in. I'm back. My eyes are primed, ready to go. I've decided how I'm gonna do this look. I'm very stoked on it. So I'm gonna start by putting a bunch of deep green on the inner portion of my eye, and then I'm gonna blend that out a bit. And then we're gonna kind of go for like this very blown out purple and pinky watercolor effect along the side of my face and around the eyes. Talking with the hands as usual, and I'm excited. I'm like learning how to talk on camera. It's like a real thing. There's a steep learning curve for me, so that's fine. Gotta keep trucking along. So I'm starting with my Morphe Boss Mood palette. Showed this in another video of mine. I'm gonna take some of these greens and just do a little speedy inner corner thing. We're gonna do some movie magic, and I'll be back with the green on. Well, I look absolutely insane. My goal is to look very earthy. So far, I just look sickly. But we're gonna keep trucking along and hope that by the end of all this, I pull together something that makes sense. So now that I put that color in there, I'm going to put a bunch of pinks and purples around here. Okay, it's starting to come together. My intention with these pinks and purples was just to create something watercolor inspired, and then I'm going to add a little bit more structure using some eyeliner here in a moment. I'm going in with my Nyx Matte liquid liner now, and I'm going to add the structural elements and put some petal shapes around the eyes. Wish me luck. So this is where we are at this point. I did do some more work while I was off camera because my husband called me and I can't resist talking to him. I sound so obnoxious, but I really wanted to talk to him. So anyway, while I was off camera, what'd I do? oh, the liner. I added some liner to try and kind of bring, gosh, just like the inner portion and the outer portion together. It felt a little disconnected, so I took some of that pink and winged it out. I'm gonna do my base now, and then I'm gonna just like assess the situation. Who is it from? Whatever, that beautiful lady, Allie Glines with the eyelashes. Oh my goodness, I want her eyelashes. Anywho, that's what I'm gonna do. A little concealer. My pimple Joffrey. Oh. Decided that every pimple I get from here on is named Joffrey. It is assessment time. I'm going to go in and kind of fix up some things that I don't love or just need a little more sharpening or blending. And then after that, I'll figure out what I want to do to complete the look. Of all the places I sweat on my body, I think my face and my like mustache area sweat first. It's great. It's what I hoped for in this life. Fill in my nose pores. Go away, pores. Well, actually don't. You're good for me. I accept my human qualities. I say with a scowl. I accept my human qualities. Oh my goodness. Oh, I keep sweating. And I want to have a little more drama of the petals in the front. So I'm going to add some small petals there. Holy moly. I've been recording forever. Please. Cat hair stuck in my mouth. Now I'm pretty happy. I think I will maybe do some highlighty stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna do some highlighty stuff. Alright, I'm going to leave that as it is. I'm going to put on a lip, and then I'm going to finish up off camera with some lashes and whatever little things I need to do to kind of retouch some stuff. So I'm going to go in with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade San Paolo, and it's a pink shade. I'm going to dibble that on the lips. Dibble that on the lips. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna top it with a gloss. I'm not gonna put this on until after I do my eyes. Well, after I throw on my lashes and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna do the lashes off camera. I'm gonna try to apply falsies. We'll see how that goes, and then I'll be back with the complete complete final look. Here we are with the final look. I added some glitter. I actually put on false lashes, which is like miraculous. Let's see, I used the Kiss lashes in style number 11. And obviously I put some gloss on my lips. I tight lined my eyes to kind of, you know, structure it even a little bit more. And added some glitter in here. I'm really happy with the overall look. It was so fun to do. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And, you know, let me know down below what you think of the final look. Do you like doing creative makeups like this, or do you like doing everyday natural kind of makeup? I'd love to hear from you about it. And if you've ever created kind of fairy style makeup like this, let me know. I'll check it out. Thanks for being here. That's it. That's the look.